Here's a problem from 1989 under the category logs and log equations. For what values of x, where x is a real number, is log base 9 of 16 times log base 8 of 3 plus log base 8 of x equal to log base 8 of 3? So when I'm doing this problem, I'll be taking for granted a lot of the properties of logarithms. So if you're not familiar with them, you should check out one of my videos about how to manipulate logarithms and what they are. So first let's rewrite the equation. And bring the log base 9 of 16 times log base 8 of 3 part to the other side. And this is useful because then we can factor out log base 8 of 3. And one is the same as log base 9 of 9. And now we can use one of the properties of logs to rewrite what's inside the parentheses as log base 9 of 9 over 16. Okay, now let's try to simplify. Let's try to simplify what log base 9 of 9 over 16 is. So it's 9 over 16 is 3/4 squared, and with logarithms you can pull the exponent out to the front. And also 9 is 3 squared, so let's just write that. And another property of logs is that you can do that when there's an exponent on the base part of the log. And then the 2 and the 1/2 cancel out. And you get log base 3 of 3/4, and that's a lot simpler. So now let's write that in here. So we get log base 8 of x is equal to log base 8 of 3 times log base 3 of 3/4. Okay, so now to solve for x, let's try raising both sides to the, or raise 8 to both sides. And by the properties of logs, this is just x on the left side. And let's rearrange the right side so that we can do some stuff. And that's just how exponents work. So here this is definitely just 3. And then raised to the power log base 3 of 3/4. And this means that x is 3/4 because 3 raised to the power log base 3 of 3/4 is 3/4 by definition. So we have this, and that's exactly what the problem asks for. So the answer is 3/4.